In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show chat in Gmail. If you're looking to integrate Google Chat with your Gmail, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step to get you set up and chatting in no time. Let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon. This little cogwheel is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to click on See All Settings to access Gmail's comprehensive settings menu. With the settings now open, look for the tab labeled Chat and Meet. It's usually located in the navigation bar at the top. Clicking on this tab will take you to the chat settings specifically designed for managing how Google Chat and Google Meet integrate into your Gmail interface. Once you're on the Chat and Meet page, you'll see options related to your Google Chat settings. Click on Google Chat to enable the chat function within Gmail. This step is essential for having the chat features appear seamlessly alongside your emails. Remember to click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This part is crucial because without saving, all the adjustments you've made will not take effect. Once saved, Gmail will refresh and you'll notice that Google Chat is now integrated into your sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, you'll see the word Chat appear in this left-hand menu. Clicking there will take you directly into the chat feature. This is where all chat engagements will happen, right alongside your usual Gmail work. To start a chat, look for the option labelled Start a Chat and give it a click. This action will prompt a search bar where you can type in the email address of the person you'd like to start a conversation with. This feature is handy because it automatically searches your contacts as you type, making it quicker to find frequent contacts. After typing in the email address, you have to confirm by clicking on Start Chat. This final click initiates your chat channel and opens up a conversation window. You're now ready to exchange messages in real time, right from within your Gmail interface. And there you have it, a straightforward method to integrate Google Chat directly into Gmail, making it easier to keep all your communications in one convenient place. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to chat directly from your inbox. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.